Hey everyone! So today I'm showing you how to edit your Instagram story on Android. Whether you want to add text, stickers, or change filters before posting, here's everything you need to know. Let's get started. Alright, first thing, open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Tap your profile picture at the top left or swipe right from your feed to create a new story. Now, tap the circle button to take a photo or hold it down to record a video. You can also swipe up to upload a photo or video from your gallery. Okay, once you have your content ready, you'll see editing tools at the right side of the screen. Tap the AA text icon to add text. Type your message, then use the color palette at the top to change the text color. You can also resize or rotate the text by pinching or dragging with two fingers. Here's the thing. Tap the sticker icon at the top to add stickers. You can add location tags, mentions, hashtags, GIFs, polls, questions, and more. Just tap the sticker you want and place it on your story. To draw on your story, tap the pen icon at the top and choose a brush style and color. Draw freely on your story. Now, after you are done with the editing, tap on Your Story option on the bottom left to add it to your story. And that's it. You now know how to edit your Instagram story on Android. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments.